Hello everyone, it's Jack again, and now I'm going to show you a couple of free features of our AI assistant. This is just a beta version for you to get acquainted with. There are many more features, but only those who get access will be able to see them. As you can see, this panel runs locally. Again, it's all about maximizing the security of your data. So, the first thing I'd like to talk about is the alert system. This is a notification system for the events you choose. Let's create a function as an example. Click on New Alert. Here you need to specify a name, the cryptocurrency the trigger is based on, and its price, greater than, less than, or equal to, for the most interesting cases. Next, you need to choose whether notification will be sent, a sound on the website, an email, or a message in Telegram. Click Start Workflow. Again, let me repeat, this is a panel from the beta test, and in its current version it has many more functions. Let's create an action. Click Add Action, select Self-Market, and configure this action. Click on Settings. Here we see the configuration of our action. Let's select Binance here and choose the currency we will use to sell our Solana. Next, at the bottom, there is a limit price option. If you want to stop selling when the rate differs from the initial trigger, you can set it. If not, you can leave it blank. Click the Save button. Next, connect the link from the initial trigger to the one you just created. You must also add an action, a notification, and connect the trigger to it as well. Next, when everything is set up, click Save and Exit. Then set the trigger status to active. And that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching. I'll talk about the other features in the next videos.